Welcome to Ciovo, just moments from the UNESCO town of Trogir, where modern elegance meets the crystal-clear Adriatic Sea. Only 50 meters from the beach, in a peaceful and highly sought-after location, this contemporary villa offers privacy, sophistication, and exceptional comfort. Set on a landscaped 280 square meter garden, the property features 240 square meters of refined interior space, designed with clean architectural lines and seamless indoor-outdoor living. The ground floor welcomes you into a bright, open-concept layout, a fully equipped modern kitchen, elegant dining area, and a spacious living room filled with natural light. Large glass walls open directly onto the expansive terrace. Outdoors, an impressive heated swimming pool, measuring 11 by 3 meters, becomes the focal point. A sunbathing area and covered outdoor dining space create the perfect setting for long Mediterranean afternoons and relaxed evening gatherings. The villa offers 4 generously sized bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom. Underfloor heating in all bathrooms, central heating, and air conditioning throughout the bedrooms provide year-round comfort. The property is sold fully furnished and equipped, with carefully selected materials and a harmonious, modern aesthetic, ready for immediate enjoyment. A private garage for 2 vehicles, plus an additional outdoor parking space, completes the functionality of this exceptional home. With its prime location steps from the sea, contemporary design, and strong investment potential, this villa is ideal as a private residence, luxury holiday home, or premium tourism opportunity. Discover refined coastal living in one of the Adriatic's most desirable settings.